Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create and set up Node.js application. So let's get started. Let's go inside this folder, and here I'm going to create a new folder with the name backend. Let me open this folder in the VS Code. Open here the terminal. The first command I'm going to run here that we have npm init, that is a initialize. Let's hit enter. As you can see the prompt that we have package name. Let me select here default. The version, it will be a 1.0.0. Description, leave it empty. The entry point that we have index.js. Test command, leave it empty. Git repository, leave it empty as well. The keyword empty, author empty. License, that will be a default. So here I'm going to write yes. As you can see, it's created a package.json file. Inside this file, we have a metadata of our application. This file carry the dependencies as well. Now after that, I'm going to install Mongoose, Express, body parser, and course. Let's hit enter. As you can see, the dependencies are installed successfully. As you can see the dependencies array. After this, I'm going to install NodeMon. As you can see, the newly added dependency. This dependency will restart the Node.js application when the change make. Now after this, I'm going to create a new file with the name index.js. Inside this file, I'm going to add here the console.log, where we have a dummy string like hello world. Let me open here the package.json, and here inside the scripts array, I'm going to add here the key that we have start. Inside the codes, I'm going to write here the command that we'll use to run the Node.js application. So the command that we have node is index.js, the name of the main file that we have created. So let's save this. Let me kill this PowerShell. So here I'm going to write the command that we have npm start. Let's hit enter. As you can see, we got a string in the console. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.